Welcome to the job. As you step onto a commercial site with your team today, the work you do is essential, but it requires a specific focus on staying safe. Mastering the Safety Data Sheet, or SDS, is the most direct way to handle this. Understanding this document allows you to protect yourself, the public, and the environment while you work. In South Africa, this protection is a legal right. Under the Hazardous Chemical Agents Regulations of 2021, your employer is mandated to provide a safe working environment. These laws and documents provide the specific protocols needed to manage workplace risks. Following them ensures you are operating according to the safety standards required by South African law. Step 1 begins before a bottle is even opened. The first line of defense is the warning label on the container, which uses standard pictures to communicate specific hazards. A corrosive symbol indicates that the chemical can burn skin, damage eyes, and eat through solid metal surfaces. The health hazard symbol warns of long-term risks. If they travel into your lungs or stay on skin, they can cause conditions like cancer. A picture of a dead tree and fish indicates environmental toxicity. Pouring these chemicals down a drain poisons local water systems and wildlife. Taking 1 second to check these pictures dictates how the chemical must be handled for the rest of the task. While labels provide a quick warning, they often lack the detailed instructions needed for full protection. For that, you need the Safety Data Sheet. The SDS is a 16-section manual written specifically for that exact chemical. South African law requires your supervisor to keep a physical safety file on site. You have a legal right to see this information at any time. This file is also the primary document first responders look for if a severe accident occurs. When medical teams receive the binder immediately, they can identify the chemical and apply the correct treatment without delay. Knowing the exact location of the safety file ensures that critical medical information is ready when every second counts. An SDS might look intimidating, but staying safe on the floor does not require reading all 16 sections. This grid represents the full document. Focus on 4 key areas. Section 2 covers hazards, identifying potential physical harm. Section 4 covers first aid and required medical responses. Section 8 lists required personal protective equipment. Section 13 covers disposal to protect South Africa's environment. Isolating these 4 sections provides the details needed to handle chemicals safely without searching through pages of technical data. Step 4 puts that information into action. You take the requirements from Section 8 and equip the necessary personal protective equipment. This gear changes depending on the task. It could include heavy-duty gloves, clear splash goggles, or a respirator for your lungs. This equipment is a legal right. Your employer must provide the correct PPE to you at no cost. Using the correct gear demonstrates a commitment to safety. It is a professional skill that protects both you and your colleagues. Following this process ensures personal protection, public safety, and full compliance with South African law. The workflow is simple. Check the label, locate the safety file, read the 4 key sections, and equip your gear. During your next shift, ask your supervisor a safety question or request to see the SDS for a chemical you use frequently. Understanding how to use these documents allows you to take control of your own well-being on the job.